Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change location access in calendar location services on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, go to privacy section, then click the location services. Then in the location services, scroll down again and click the calendar. Then in the calendar, if you want to change it to never, just click never until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to ask next time or when I share, just click it until there's also a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to while using the app, just click the while using the app until there's also a check mark on the side. App explanation: your location is used for time to leave alerts, to improve location searches, and to suggest event locations. And that's it. We have successfully changed location access and calendar location services on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching.